Hey everyone, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. It's going to be a little late upload, but I have my Stitch Fix for this month. I got it several weeks ago, way overdue to turn it in, so I figure I'd go over it. I am playing with a new light today, so I'm still trying to get used to it, but it's pretty spiffy. So let me know what you guys think. Is it too yellowy? Is it not bright enough? I have a couple different filters. I can play with it, so it's pretty cool. Anyway, let's get into Stitch Fix. This is a box that you can order as frequently or unfrequently as you want. It is usually, I believe, a $20 styling fee. Certain people get access to the Style Pass, which is $49 a year. That gives you unlimited number of fixes. That money goes towards your purchase. I do the Style Pass. I've been doing this since my daughter was born. My daughter is 5 years old, so you guys can tell I've been doing this a long time. Like, most of what I'm wearing today is Stitch Fix minus the shirt. So anyway, let's get into it and see what I think so I can turn in whatever I don't want to keep. So I actually really did not go much into this. This has literally just been sitting here. But they always give you a little card that gives you a little thing from your stylist. And I've had the same stylist for several months or even a year now, by the name of Christian, and she actually watches my videos, so it makes me super excited. I didn't do a video on my last one. I had taped it but never got around to editing it, so unfortunately I didn't get to that, but she sent me a bunch of really cute stuff that will go into here and go from there. And then always they send you, I'm just going to fold over my information there. This is my 54th style fix. So guys, I've been doing this a long time, and it gives you the price breakdown. If you buy all 5 items, it's 25% off. And then of course my Style Pass renewed, so I get $49 off if I keep anything. That for the Style Pass, it stays in there until you actually purchase something. That's a little bit different. If you do a styling fee only for each one, then you lose that $20 if you don't save anything. I'll tell you, it's been, I don't think I've ever not kept a single thing in a box because I've always liked at least one thing. Yeah, so let's roll into it. I'll try to go over these a little bit more in depth. At the end, I will pause and try these on and show you guys what I think. So the first item here is a piece of jewelry. And this is the Stella and Ruby. Let me keep a little thing here. Stella and Ruby Bruno beaded crochet bracelet in off-white. This thing is gorgeous. It's $34. So you can see here, actually, I'm leaving in a couple of days to my friend's wedding in California, where I grew up. So this might be really pretty for the wedding. Ooh, this is gorgeous. This is a really weird clasp. Okay, so that's what it looks like on. I do like it. I don't wear bracelets very often, but I do like this style. It's very comfortable. It's very pretty. This is what the clasp looks like. It's a very interesting clasp. Let me show you guys. Kind of feels complicated here to get it on and off. But the mechanism is this little clip like this, and then it goes like that. So this is really pretty. I think I'll probably end up keeping this. This is $34. So beautiful. I really like that. It's got, if you can see the detailing here. Oh, so pretty. I think this would actually look really good for my wedding that I'm going to. More about that. So, my daughter is going with me. Originally I was just going to go by myself, visit with family. Like I said, I grew up in California, and my friend's getting married back in our hometown. And so I hadn't been there in 10 years. And I was like, okay, I'm going to go for a couple days. And then I thought about it because originally I wanted to take my daughter, but she was going to have to miss school. She's in preschool. And then I thought about it and I was like, why am I not taking her? She's easy to transport. She's in a booster seat. She's never been to California. And so at the last minute, I got this crazy idea to buy her a plane ticket, and she's going with me now. I still need to book our car rental and a hotel when we're in LA because we're going to fly in and out of LA. I grew up in Bakersfield, if anyone knows of that place. And so most of us that go in and out of that town tend to fly in and out of LA. So I'm going to take her to Disneyland, which she's super excited about. And then I told her about the La Brea Tar Pits. If you guys have never been to those, they're super fun. I went as a kid and I loved it. And then I went back as an adult and I was like, oh, this is a little smaller than I remember. But I told her about it and she's so excited. She's like, can we go to the Tar Pits? So I wish I had more time to take her out there because there's so many things that I did as a child that I can't wait to show her. Okay, so I kind of peeked at this a little bit, so I didn't fold it up really pretty, but let's just get into this. I'm also going to try to tell you guys the fabrics. I've previously done that and I got some feedback from some of you guys that you actually enjoy when I tell you the fabric. So this is the Paper Moon Empton 3/4 sleeve in black, although it looks more green. It says black, but it's dark green. Oh, back Delta knit top in dark green. Ooh, I like this color. I hope it's long enough. This is in the size medium and it's $38. I really do like Paper Moon stuff. I don't know. I just like their stuff. The fabric it's machine wash and cold, which is always a plus, and then line dry. It's 95% rayon and 5% spandex. Works for me, good for mom life. Let me show you the back. The back is really cute. Super cute detailing. So I am excited to try this on and see. Will go really well with my red hair. All right, next item here is the Layla Jade Bowie 3/4 sleeve dolman knit top. Funny, the first time I got a dolman top, I didn't really care for it. I thought, oh, this is not a style that works for me, but I have since changed my mind and I actually can't think of the name of the dolman top that I absolutely adore. I feel like everybody who has Stitch Fix has it, but I actually do like dolmans if they hit in the right spot. But basically a dolman top is these bat wing here. This is in a taupe color, which is not a bad color for me. This feels very stretchy. Let's see, this is, how much? Oh, $58. So that's a little on the pricier side for a shirt. Let's see what the fabric is. This is 62% polyester, 32% rayon, and 6% spandex. This is made in the US. It is machine wash cold and lay flat dry. So we'll see how this goes, but super cute. All right, next item here is some sort of sweater. It says it's a Stitch Fix exclusive. So a lot of times they will work with these different clothing brands and they'll make up something that is exclusively for Stitch Fix, which means they don't sell that style or color or whatever anywhere else. This is the Honey Bell Rivington textured open cardigan in the color blush in size medium. Super cute. I don't know how many more cardigans I need because I have a cardigan problem, although I do wear them all the time. Oh, I like the detailing. Look at the detailing on this. This is actually more substantial weight. It feels really nice. The only thing I wish it had were pockets. I have a cardigan that has pockets that I'm really loving, but this has that draped neck, which I love, obviously. Believe it or not, this is one of the first pieces I got in Stitch Fix. I think I got it in my very first Stitch Fix. I'll have to go back and find the photos of that, maybe do a thing either on my Facebook or Twitter or one of those and show you guys. But yeah, I've had this since the very beginning. So it tells you how well their pieces wear. Anyway, this piece here is $64, and let's see what it's made out of. It is made in China, polyester, 65%, 35% rayon, hand wash cold, and hang dry or cool iron. So everything is kind of the same type of fabric. And then the final piece here, this is the most expensive item, but I keep asking for jeans. I'm currently wearing, which one am I wearing? Oh, I'm wearing the cut from the cloth style of jeans that I absolutely love that I got ages ago from Stitch Fix. But they've been trying other brands. So this is the DL 1961. I've tried these previously and had hit or miss luck. They are stretchy, which is awesome. They're size 30, which is equivalent to a size 10. These are mid-rise with an inseam of 27, so that may or may not be long enough. If they are straight leg, I can get away with 27. I usually prefer a 30-inch, but not the worst thing. I do like mid-rise. So we will see how these fit. I've had hit or miss luck with jeans. So this is $178. So these have to fit like butter for me to like them. So now I'm going to reposition my camera so that I have a better view so that I can put these on and show you guys how these look. So I'm going to pause and be back. All right, guys, so I'm back with the cardigan and the green shirt. These are the cut from the cloth jeans, and I'm telling you guys, I wear these to death. They're just super comfortable. But ooh, I'm really liking the cardigan. Very nice. Nice on the length. Very comfortable. I think I'll probably keep this. This actually is something I could see myself putting on a ton, and I don't actually have a cardigan in this color, in this kind of style, so that's nice. And then the green top. Oh, I'm actually absolutely in love in this top. It is long enough. It is super cute and simple, but I think it's extremely flattering. And then obviously I'm wearing the wrong bra because I have one of my like mommy high-backed bras. So I'll have to wear a different bra, but oh, the detailing in the back is super duper cute. So this shirt, thumbs up. Okay, I'm gonna pause and come back with the next two items. All right, guys, I'm back with the next one. So this top I'm gonna show you in a minute with the jeans that I was wearing before. It looks better with my normal jeans. These jeans, this is why I have an endless problem. So look how high up my waist is. I am 6 foot, and so I like mid-rise because they generally hit a little lower, like here. The problem is I have a lot of jeans that if they cinch in too tight in the waist section, they just pinch me and give me like a really bad muffin top. So these actually, I don't know if you can tell from the length. The length isn't bad. They're a little, I wish they were a little tighter at the ankle. They look good on my butt. Like that part fits well. They just cinch in just a little bit much at the waist. Not bad, and I think if they got stretched out, they actually would be fine. But I don't know. I'm gonna have to think about it and run the numbers. But I'm gonna pause and show you this shirt with the jeans that I wear all the time that fit a little better. Okay, so these are the jeans that I was talking about. So this is why I like them better. So these are super wide on the waist, and these are mid-rise, but you can see how far below they hit below my belly button. So obviously I've been wearing these all day. They're super duper stretched out, but these are the cut from the cloth brand. I think they're Alexa. But you can see with this top, it just has a nicer flattering line. It looks better, but I do like this top. All right, so let's go down and see if I can find, let me find the thing here that tells the prices on these. I'm gonna pause for a second, I'll be right back. Okay, so the discount is $93. The jeans are $178. So I am gonna have to really think about these jeans, maybe wear them for a little bit longer, see how I feel in them, because I'm a firm believer if jeans don't fit 100% right, you don't wanna pay $178. But the rest of the stuff fits really nicely. And you know, with all of this, even if I turn the jeans back in, I'm only looking at about $200 with everything. So anyway, what do you guys think? What do you think I should keep? I really like the bracelet. I like this top. This actually looks like a top I would wear all the time. Like the cardigan, like the green shirt a lot. I'm iffy on the jeans, you know. I'm in this weird place where I know I'm gonna lose weight in a little bit. But at the same time, I want jeans that fit right. And I've got the mom pooch, not bad, but being 6 foot with that makes it really hard for me to find stuff that fits well. So anyway, tell me guys what you think. Thank you for watching. Remember to enter my giveaway. It ends tomorrow. I will be announcing the winner on Saturday. So thanks guys, and bye.